Hello and welcome to the Animal Man channel. This is a brief introduction to my shop. I built this somewhere between 2010 and 2014. It started out as an enclosed garage, which was cheap and fast, but then I did a lot of work inside of it. And I am looking forward to sharing a lot of this with you guys in the coming videos. I want to incorporate some of my unusual animals into videos, as well as the experience of building the forge. I've got a brick forge that I built, and also gas forges. We'll explore this shop in the coming videos, so please like, subscribe. We'll have fun. I'll do a little blacksmithing. And happy 2026 to all of you.